Yes, thank you. It's a wonderful question. I was to be supposed to be a good engineer in the past, and I dreamt to be a big manager, something like that. But then my dreams changed, and the life lead me in another direction. That was completely different to what I expected when I was in my 20s. Now I'm 60s. So the point is what any regrets are only memories. The past exists only in our mind, in our subconscious mind. And when I have anything about that, I say, thanks God, I move on. I have another piece of my life that I have to live. And much more important is how can I live in this moment and how much I enjoy my life in this moment. Doesn't matter what happened in the past, what I should be, what maybe my parent expected to me, for me to be, because their expectations are not mine, and the society expectation are not mine, and my expectation are not mine because are only memories that are within me. So I always, when I have feelings like that, I always apply hooponopono. I let go those feelings of regretting, or how I should be, or how could be in the past. That's not the point for me. And I learn from my life that each and every time I have no expectation. I want to say God has a much more interesting plan for me. So I'm faith that life will bring me something new, something always more important than the past. The past are memories. And what is important is, of course, stay each and every time at zero, at the void. And I say always, when I have thoughts like that, okay, let's start now. Now is the zero, is the void. This is hooponopono. Doesn't matter what happened in the past. What's matter is how I feel now. I want to feel now. So, and I feel some love inside me, and that's love. It is enough. It is enough to start again. Doesn't matter if I was when I started hooponopono, I was 45 more or less, and now I'm 60, and my life has changed completely, and has changed outside any expectation that I had in before. So doing hooponopono, let go, do not be stuck in the past, do not be stuck on what the other are thinking about me. That's very important. So that's letting go any expectation from me and other people that help me to move on in a new life.